Hey everyone, I'm Brianna from WTI, and I want to show you one of the best gifts I've given my husband. He loves this giant world map by Maps International. So this is the antique version. As you can see, it's all kind of brown and antique tones, which goes perfect in his office. Also, this map is extremely accurate. So as you can see, I'll show you close up. All of the names of countries and cities are spelled correctly, which is great. So if you're looking for a historically accurate map that has all of the names spelled correctly, I recommend this one. It also has country lines and different colors to show the different countries. You also have topography here as well, and here in the map key you can see the city size based on its number of inhabitants, and then of course you have all of these different boundaries. It even shows you railways, the major peaks in the country or the continent, and even international date lines. This is 77.5 inches wide by 46 inches tall, and it comes rolled up really well. And so you can just use double-sided tape. You can make it into a frame. So it was absolutely easy to install. This could go in an office, it could go in a living room, it could go in a classroom. It's perfect for any setting. And I love how accurate this map is. So I highly recommend this Maps International map, and that's just my point of view.